Hi friends, welcome to our new video of the remarkable rocket. Do you think any celebration of festivity is complete without fireworks? Have you ever wondered what goes on in the minds of such fireworks when they are going to be displayed? So let us read a story which is about such discussion of fireworks. Once there was a king whose son is going to be married to a Russian princess who had driven away from Finland in a sledge carried by reindeers. The marriage was followed by a banquet, ball, and finally fireworks. When the royal pyrotechnician has put on everything on its proper place, the fireworks began to talk to each other. Sharp sound was heard. They looked all around. It came from a tall, supercilious rocket who was tied to one long stick. A cracker calls to everybody, order, order. When everybody was quiet, the rocket started bursting himself. It is how fortunate for the king's son that he is going to be married on the very day on which I am to be let off. My friend, it was quite the other way, that we were to be let off in the king's honor or the prince's honor. My mother, Catherine Wheel, that is said by the rocket that my mother, Catherine Wheel, was renowned for her graceful dancing. She would spin around 19 times before she went out, and each time she threw in the air 7 pink stars. And my father, a rocket like me, flew so high that the people were afraid that he would never come down again. He made a most brilliant appearance in the shower of golden rain. My important position in the show of this marriage function makes me cry. You better keep yourself dry if you want to give pleasure to others, said by other fireworks. The rocket made fun of all the other crackers. The fire balloon once again asked him to keep himself dry for the betterment of others. The rocket got annoyed that all his importance makes him weak. Saying so, he starts to weep. Then, afterwards, the fireworks begin. Now, Catherine Wheel went off with the sound. After that, Roman candle turned. It also went out with its sound. Then, the split start over the palace. The Bengal lights makes everything look scarlet in the function of fireworks. The fire balloons soars high, dropping tiny blue stars everywhere. Next day, the workmen came to clear the waste. They threw the remarkable rocket, who was silent at that time when the show was displayed. They threw it into the mud. 2 boys came to pick him up. They thought it was stick, which would help them to boil the kettle. The rocket got annoyed, but when the boys piled up sticks and put it up on the stick, rocket got happy that he would be displayed in the daylight for everybody to see. Boys went off to sleep. After a long time, he finally dried up and he was ready to fly off. He made himself stiff and fly high in the air. But what was this? The boys were fast asleep. There was no one to witness his beauty. So friends, what a waste. We see being confident is good, but overconfident leads nowhere. So always be humble in life for your good show. Thank you.